So, here in my usually rainy part of the world, it's been uncharacteristically dry. Just take a look at this soil here. It's like dust. Coping with a summer drought is no fun, and keeping your plants quenched and happy can feel like an ongoing struggle. Well, my fellow gardeners, don't be a slave to the watering can. Here are a few tips for coping with drought in your garden, so you can continue to enjoy bountiful harvests.
When water's precious, it pays to be prudent. Concentrate your watering where it's needed. Young seedlings to help them establish, leafy salads to stop them wilting, fruiting vegetables like tomatoes, and anything growing in a pot. Using a watering can? Try two, one for each hand. It will help you balance, and you'll be able to water twice as quickly. If your water source is some distance from your beds, it also means less walking back and forth. Another option is to use a portable tank to cart water to where it'll be dispensed. A strong spray from a hose can knock plants about or blast potting soil out of containers. Get around this problem simply by placing the end of the hose in a watering can so that it fills as you pour. This means you can water carefully and precisely, enjoying the convenience of a hose without wasting a drop. Watering pots from the bottom rather than the top can save a lot of time and water in hot weather. Fill up a suitable sized reservoir, adding any liquid feed you'd like to apply at the recommended rate. Now sink your pots into the water and simply walk away, leaving them to soak up the liquid for an hour or more. You can speed things along by adding a splosh of water to the top of the pot before it's left to soak. This technique helps ensure a really thorough watering that makes very efficient use of water. An automatic irrigation system connected to a timer will take the strain out of watering. Set it to come on very early in the morning before things heat up. The best setup to use drip irrigation or soaker hoses to deliver water right at the base of plants near the roots. Some can even be fitted to water barrels, so you can make the most of any rainwater you've managed to collect.
Drought can play havoc with seedlings, hampering germination and causing young plants to struggle. So here are a few ideas to help.
In hot, dry conditions, getting seeds to germinate can be tricky, particularly those of cool season crops such as lettuce. The solution is to wet the seed drill before sowing to give them the cool, moist surroundings they crave. Water along marked out drills. Allow the water to completely drain away, then fill and drain once again before you sow. Once you're done sowing, cover the seeds back over, but don't water again until after germination. The moisture in the drill will drain through, encouraging the seedlings' roots to follow. Young seedlings and cool season crops in general perform better under the protection of some shading in hot summers. Prioritise shady areas for crops that prefer cool conditions, such as salad leaves. You can use taller crops to shade shorter ones, but in scorching weather, drastic action may be needed. Shade cloth can cast just enough shade to keep your plants happy in severe heat, and it's easily removed when the weather turns cooler. Suspend it over plants to help them keep their cool.
Mulches are a must in any summer drought, and a mulch of organic materials such as compost, leaf mould or even dried grass clippings is best. This extra layer serves two purposes. It shades the soil from the sun, helping to keep it cooler, and it acts as a barrier to the sun, dramatically slowing evaporation.
Thoroughly soak the ground before adding your mulch. Really wet the soil, and if it's exceptionally dry, water again a few hours later to recharge all that valuable soil moisture. Now lay the mulch so it's at least 1 inch or 2 centimetres thick. Feed it right around all your plants. Fruit trees, canes and bushes can be mulched with chunky materials such as bark chippings or fibrous materials like straw. Again, take care to water well before laying it. Mulches may not be very high tech, but they are incredibly effective in a hot summer.
I hope you found some of these ideas handy. They'll all save you time while ensuring your plants stay in the best condition possible. I'm a relative newcomer to hot, dry summers, but I know a lot of you garden all the time in a hot, dry climate, so you've probably got some tips that you can share. If you have, please do so by leaving them in the comments section below. And if you found this video useful, come on over and join our gardening gang by making sure you're subscribed to our video channel. I'll catch you next time.